Hello and welcome to another episode of Mindful Moments with Gustav. And today, I'm taking you on a little stroll, a little hike. You might hear the creek bubbling on by as we walk this trail. I invite you to breathe in. Smell the springtime in the air. You can see the buds on the trees blooming, growing as the creek bubbles on by. The birds chirping, flying overhead, running into deer and dogs and squirrels and humans. All the creatures, the sentient beings, nature, the world, we're part of it. In my opinion, us humans feel like maybe we're the ones that don't belong so much. And that's just how we've become to be, to separate from nature, to conquer it. It's not the way it is, naturally. We're a part of it. We need it. Grab a friend, let's get in it. Keep going back, I'll be here.